This treatment will help to erase those signs of aging like wrinkles, fine lines. It gets rid of loose skin. At the end of this treatment, you will surely love the improvement of your skin. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips, anti-aging tips that will help to make sure your skin is glowing, your skin is looking naturally beautiful. Consider subscribing if you love it. Go on and share this video. Also give it a like. Let's go. So I have some few ingredients right here, very natural to obtain a very good result. Like those that want to look younger, just continue watching this video and try to watch this video to the end. It will really go a long way to help you. All right, so what I deal with on this channel are just natural ingredients. I made use of some things you can find right in your kitchen to make you achieve best result. So all these things are what I'll be listing one after the other. The first ingredient I made use of is sugar. When it comes to firming the skin, sugar is very effective. Like it contains alpha hydroxyl acid that helps greatly to firm the skin, to also keep your skin hydrated. Those that want to get rid of dry skin, you can make use of this treatment and you just see your skin popping, looking so beautiful, like naturally beautiful. Okay, so when it comes to hydrating the skin, removing tired looking skin, think of sugar. For those that have sensitive skin, you can make use of brown sugar. Here is white sugar. Apart from that, sugar will also help to exfoliate your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells, and the result will give you a glowing, beautiful skin that glows. So the next one is coffee. Yes, coffee, like the one for your coffee tea, is very effective at firming the skin. It gets rid of loose skin, you know, it brings your skin together. Also, it penetrates into the skin layer to build the skin elasticity, and so boosting collagen in your skin, making it to appear more youthful. You see your skin looking so supple, rejuvenating and glowing. So try to get sugar, try to get coffee. So the next one is aloe vera gel. Yes, please get aloe vera gel. It's very important, especially for hydration, especially for those that have dry flaky skin. It will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin very well. So just get aloe vera because it also contains anti-aging properties that helps to bring your skin together, making it to look more youthful. You see your skin so fresh, you see your skin supple, and the results will amaze you. So I just listed 3 ingredients. It's not enough. You need oil. When it comes to making sure your skin is younger, you need oil to moisturize your skin. Of course, you don't need to apply this treatment and after that your skin will be so dry. Whenever you are making a mask or a scrub, please try to add, even if it's few drops of a very good oil that will help to target those aging signs. And the oil is baby oil. Yes, baby oil, very wonderful when it comes to firming the skin. Like the oil is very light, like it's not something that will clog your pores. For those that have sensitive skin, you can make use of this oil. Not only please get any brand of baby oil, but in case you don't want to make use of baby oil, you can make use of vitamin E oil. You can also make use of rosehip oil. You can also make use of almond oil. You can also make use of sunflower oil. So these are very good oil that nourishes the skin. It contains vitamin E, loads of vitamin E, and also some of the oils also has vitamin A that helps to firm the skin, controlling aging signs. So your skin will just stay so beautiful, well hydrated, well nourished. Even with no makeup, you see your skin looking so beautiful. So after getting all these ingredients, I also have one more, but that is when we are mixing it. I will introduce that one. So what you have to do, add 1 tablespoon of coffee. I just love coffee a lot. Look at the way it's smelling so nice. I love the smell. It's so nice. Then 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then I added 1 tablespoon of sugar. You know, sugar in this treatment, like I said, will exfoliate your skin, and you can increase the quantity of sugar if you want. So then I just added few drops of the oil, just few drops, and because I have oily skin, I don't really add too much oil. Okay, I don't add too much, just few drops is okay. Then you have to mix together. If it's not mixing very well, you have to now add rose water. Rose water, like I always say, it glows the skin, it nourishes your skin. Instead of water, it's best for you to make use of rose water. You will benefit so much from rose water instead of plain water, and that is because it contains so much nutrients that is very healthy for the skin. But ordinary water is just there, it's just for mixing. You will not get any good result, like there's no benefits, okay, aside drinking it. But just use rose water, you just love the skin, like your skin will pop, your skin will look so babyish. All right, so mix all the ingredients together. So when you are mixing with rose water, please little by little, so that this treatment will not be so watery. So after that, you have to wash off all makeups and debts. Apply it on your face the way I'm going to be showing you right now, so that it can be able to penetrate well and work better. Remove all makeups. Thank you. So just ensure you remove all makeups and debts, then go on and apply this wonderful paste on your skin. So if you want to apply this treatment all over your body, or you want to treat your hair wrinkles and feet wrinkle, you want to moisturize them, or you want to keep them looking clean, clearer and beautiful, or soft, please increase the quantity. Okay, just go on and increase the quantity of this paste, then apply it using a brush or your hand. So you can see my skin is just glowing. You know, when you make use of this treatment without makeup, you see your skin looking naturally beautiful. I know many of you does not have time to do all this, and which is true, okay? Yeah, which is true. Yeah, I always have time for all this because this is what I teach. So anytime I teach about this, I will just use the time to just apply on my skin. And as I'm teaching you, I'm benefiting from it as well. You see, because this is my job. All right, so I understand that it's not really easy to bring out time to do this every time and there, but it's worth it. And that is why I have skincare products that works just the same. Only difference is that those products have preservative, you know, so that it can last longer. Of course, it's for sale. So I have very good skincare products that works very well, very natural. I made it myself to ensure that it's something that will work for everyone. So feel free to reach out through that WhatsApp. You can see the products on the screen. For everyone, I have different ranges for every skin type. One that will glow your skin, brighten, tighten, firm your skin, different types. For skin problems, I have, please just name it. Dark inner thighs, dark armpits. You want to make your skin uniform, please contact through that WhatsApp and I will just give you the best. We ship worldwide, both abroad. We based in Nigeria. Alright, so just apply this treatment on your skin, then leave it on for 15 minutes or longer. So the longer it stays, the better. But before 15 minutes, you will notice that the treatment has dried. You feel the tightness, the firming of the skin from that first time. So just wash it out, and after that, in fact, I will just wash it out and come back and tell you the next thing to do. Okay, so I just rinse it out. So what I normally do, I don't use soap or face wash to wash out my treatment, and that is because I love the oil that is in the paste. Like the oil I added there, I want to just allow it to remain, because when you wash it out with only water, you will notice that your face will feel a little oily, and that is because there's oil in it. So but if you still want to use soap to wash it out to ensure it's properly gone, very nice, no problem. All you have to do is just to apply a moisturizer after washing it out. So because I use water, plain water, to rinse it out without using soap, I don't need to moisturize because my face is already looking so well moisturized. All right, apply a moisturizer after this so that your skin will not be dried out. Remember, this is a mask and also a scrub, so that your skin will not be so dry, you know. In this way, you see your skin well nourished, looking so naturally beautiful. This is very, very effective, and for all skin complexion and type. It will not lighten you, it will not darken you. It's just a repair treatment to firm your skin. Please be consistent with it, you get perfect result. Use this treatment 3 times weekly, or you can just start every day, like every night, morning or night, anyone, but it should be once a day. If you feel that the wrinkles are much, be using it every day from the start. Make sure you moisturize after washing it out. But the normal way to make use of this is just 3 times weekly. Be consistent, you see your skin reviving. And do not forget that you cannot do without moisturizer or any other product. This is not a body lotion, this is not a soap, it's just a treatment. Like I said earlier, take care of the foundation of your skin and look younger. Your skin will thank you for it, for using good ingredients, nourishing ingredients that will feed your skin. So what I normally do when I wash it out, I don't pat dry, and just as it's still wet, apply your moisturizer. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.